Your attention, please. This is the final call for passengers of Global Traders Airways on flight number BBT 9592 to Florida. Please report to aircraft immediately. Thank you.
Alright, let's go guys. Let's do this. AMG is waiting for us.
Say diddly doodly, we're here.
From Kazakhstan.
Victoria, British Columbia, Canada.
Houston, Texas. Colorado.
From Toronto, Canada.
Quito, Ecuador.
Fort Lauderdale area. Soy de Colombia.
From Jacksonville, Florida.
Carol and I did some running this morning at 6
Woo,
a.m.
yeah!
and she was awesome. She put my ass in.
I didn't have a job, and one day my wife, beloved wife, she got me your book.
AMG stays strong. You also do 90 trade later.
People get restricted to ATR, but generically if you're playing it, it's doing something different, right? So you're playing it because it's premium. So never assume just because...
No alcohol.
You say that now. Alcohol only for you. Be a different.